Video on today. Today was another crap sleep. Absolutely terrible. I woke up at like 1 and then I woke up at like 4. It's just terrible. However, today was alright. I had an amazing 2-hour conversation with my American Australian friend. We'll just call him Tom for now. Anyway, so there were two things we mostly talked about. One is the person he's seeing, and two was his friend who was his roommate, but let's just say Tom moved here and there, so no longer roommates. Alright, so this story isn't 100% accurate, and I'm changing some of the details, I guess, for privacy reasons, but it's mostly for me to remember. But it was an interesting story. So, he was at work. What I call him? Tom. Tom was at work, and he got a phone call from a hospital, and they're like, "We have someone here who said ring up, ring up this person, ring up this person, ring up Tom, ring up Tom. He's had a major concussion, and he's the only one that he's referring to us on his phone." So they rang up Tom, and Tom's like, "Well, I can't, I want to help, but I can't right now. I can help later. Can you either keep him at the hospital?" I feel like he said that would be the best option here. If not, because it was a pretty big concussion, please send him home. He should know his address. If not, it's blah, 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 blah. And send him home. They said he doesn't have keys or a wallet. He's only got his phone, and his phone's nearly flat. Anyway, he said, "Well, if you can leave him there, I'll come and work something out." So, anyway, he ended up talking to his friend. We'll call him Simon. And Simon, apparently, he sounded like he was drunk and slurring his words. Like the concussion must have been pretty bad. Anyway, he told Simon, "Don't leave the hospital. I'll come pick you up when I can. Stay there." Anyway, since he wasn't thinking straight, Simon left the hospital, and the nurses and stuff weren't too happy about it, doctors, nurses, and he left without their approval. And Tom said, "Well, now he's got to have to find him," and he's been missing for like half a day or a whole day. He's been, and Tom was out from 10 or 11 p.m. talking to me because I was keeping him company while he was searching for Simon, and we just talked and talked while Tom was just searching all around America, well, all around the surrounding suburbs, and after 2 hours plus whatever he did before he rang me up, he never found him. He thought he did a couple times, but he didn't. So I am not worried, and I'm not concerned. I don't know him. But I do hope that Tom finds this Simon guy. I really do, because Tom honestly sounds like, they're good friends, and one friend had a major concussion, and he's not thinking straight, and he's got lost, and he's got no money, and this is why I say every day's a good day. I could be like Simon right now, he completely confused and doesn't even know where he is, I guess. So Tom hopes that Simon recovers some memories and walks home tomorrow, because Tom doesn't want to have to do this again. Well, it's not that he doesn't want to have to do it again, but he doesn't want to have to do it again. However, it's a big head fuck, and it's pretty concerning, and I hope Simon gets home. I really do. I enjoyed talking to Tom, though, all day. Well, it felt like all day. Today was sort of a very long day. But I enjoyed my 2 hours talking to him. It was great. We talked about everything. It was really nice. So, yeah. Yeah, now I'm just watching a movie called, Catch Me If You Can, I believe it's called. Yeah. I played a bit of tanks, bit of time with my father. Missed a phone call that was from my dad's friend, which I was hoping he'd ring me back, but he never did. Done a bit of house cleaning and going to bed. Yeah. Oh. Anyway, see ya.